Arcuchi Servo System Package. Quick response and improved power saving. Smart design and low operation noise. Drive rated power from 16 to 55 kW. Rated current from 22 to 81 ampere. Inbuilt DC fans for effective cooling. LED display and tactile control keys. Drive reactor main, resistance and motor connection terminal. Motor power from 12 to 48 kW. Motor rated torque from 120 to 555 Newton-meter. Maximum RPM from 2200 to 2500 on selective models. Inbuilt AC fan for effective cooling of motor. Heavy-duty motor terminal block for connections. Pump displacement from 32 to 160 cubic centimeter. Liquid flow rate from 80 to 320 liters per minute. Hardened casting material made suction and delivery flanges. Strong casting bell housing for motor and pump. Blackening finish Lovejoy coupling for motor and pump. Input reactor for drive protection. Aluminum housing dynamic braking resistance for drive. Diaphragm pressure sensor for accurate pressure feedback. 0 to 10 voltage output and up to 250 bar working pressure. 5 meter length servo encoder cable. 0 phase detector ring for servo drive. Arcuchi Servo System Package. N2S Technologies Private Limited is a pioneer enterprise IMM components suppliers.